They said it could not happen. They said the sedan was dead, and for a while it felt like they were right, the once dominant kings of the road. The cars that defined generations of drivers have been pushed to the brink by a relentless wave of SUVs before they vanish completely. Before the last true driver's cars are relegated to history books, there are still a few legends left. If you are like me, you remember a time when driving was about connection, not just cargo space. You remember the thrill of a low center of gravity, the precision of a well-tuned chassis, and the elegance of a classic 3-box design. This video is for you. I am going to reveal the last 5 sedans you absolutely must consider before they are gone forever. These are not just cars, they are statements. They are the final stand against automotive homogenization. We will cover everything from ultimate performance machines to understated luxury icons. Why, for the discerning driver, they still offer an experience no SUV can match. Kicking off our list is the undisputed king of the performance sedan, the BMW M3, and its big brother, the M5. For decades, these cars have been the benchmark. And even in 2026, they refuse to compromise. The current M3, with its twin-turbo inline-6, delivers over 500 horsepower, razor-sharp handling. For the purists, you can still get it with a manual transmission. The M5 is a 600-plus horsepower twin-turbo V8 motorette. Will embarrass most sports cars while carrying your family in comfort. These cars are not just fast, they are engaging. They communicate with you through the steering wheel. Through the seat of your pants. It is a visceral experience that reminds you what driving is supposed to feel like. With electrification looming, these might be the last of their kind to offer this level of raw combustion performance. Next, we move from raw power to serene sophistication. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class. While SUVs chase trends, the E-Class has quietly perfected the art of the luxury sedan. The 2026 E-Class is a masterclass in refinement. Its cabin is a sanctuary of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort. The ride quality is sublime, effortlessly gliding over imperfections, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. This is the car for those who appreciate understated elegance and engineering excellence. It is not about flash, it is about substance. In a world obsessed with rugged utility, the E-Class stands as proof that a beautifully crafted sedan still matters. Now let us talk about the car that proves you do not need to break the bank, the Honda Accord. For decades, the Accord has been the gold standard for reliability, practicality, and driving enjoyment. The latest Accord continues that legacy. It offers a spacious interior, a comfortable ride, and a surprisingly engaging chassis. Even mundane commutes feel enjoyable. The hybrid models deliver incredible fuel economy without sacrificing performance. While many family sedans have disappeared, the Accord remains a beacon of common sense and driving pleasure. If you want a car that will serve you faithfully for years, still looks good, and will not bore you to tears, the Accord is a dying breed you need to experience now. Before we continue, let us talk about the SUV illusion. Yes, SUVs offer perceived utility, but how often do you really need that extra height or third row? What you gain in size, you often lose in handling. Fuel economy and style. Sedans are designed to be driven, sit lower, handle better, and are more aerodynamic. Do not fall for the marketing hype for daily driving. A sedan delivers a better experience for most people now. For those who crave unapologetic American power, the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. This is not just a sedan, it is a supercharged V8 statement with over 660 horsepower from a 6.2-liter V8. And yes, you can still get a manual transmission. The Blackwing is loud, it is aggressive, and it demands to be driven. Cadillac created a world-beating performance sedan, one that can stand toe-to-toe with the best from Germany. If you want a piece of automotive history, this is your last chance. Finally, for those who want performance with refinement and legendary reliability, is 500. In a world of turbocharging, Lexus stayed brave. They kept the naturally aspirated V8. This 5-liter engine delivers 472 horsepower with a soundtrack that is pure automotive. Bliss. The IS 500 does not shout, it delivers performance with effortless grace. It is a sleeper, a car that rewards those who know. If you want a V8 sedan that will last forever and still turn heads, this is one of the last great options. Now let us be honest, the future is coming. Electric and SUVs are taking over. These sedans represent a fading era. They are not for everyone, they are for those who value driving, feel, connection, and characters. So here is the question: do you embrace the SUV future, or do you grab one of these sedans before it is too late? These cars are more than transportation. They are passion, memory, and soul. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how these sedans compare to modern electric performance cars, watch the next video. We'll see you there.